Everyone, in this video I'm gonna talk about two fundamental things about your brain. In last days I have been studying about that how your brain works. Fortunately, I have figured out one thing which is really interestingly to talk about it right now. When I came across of the two minds, your first conscious mind, which is responsible for your reasoning thinking, critical thinking, and as well as your right thinking. But when it comes to talk about subconscious mind, we have seen one thing which is really common to understand. What is that? Let me show you one thing. So right now I am standing in middle of the field, where I can show you some of the examples to relate you, to illustrate you that how you can be the master of your own way. So as you can see that this is a field, which is basically your subconscious mind. As you have already seen the things over there, let me share with you these things. Can you see these things? Many of you are thinking, oh, what is that? Let me plug it over. This is your belief system. Can you hear that? This is your belief system, fear, and your thought, which you have been habitually thinking last for many years ago. So now the questions that if this soil is your subconscious mind, so why is it responsible for these things? Let me get to the straight. The reason is very clear. This soil does not think what type of seeds you are putting upon it, because of which whatever you are going to sow it is going to reap it out. Sow it, just for example, if you're sowing just fear to greedy thought, so how can you think of it? I'm going to take a very good things on that. So if you really want to have empowering your thought process, so you must know the right canalities on that. Otherwise, what will happen here? It will happen here for the main two reasons. Getting my point? So right now I'm going to close the video. I hope you got the message.